Okay, the vacuum, no retakes, shoot them as it is. The recovery is going on right now. 250 grams out so far. It's only been about 4 minutes. Pulling on the suction side only. Oh, one other thing. What do you notice while I'm performing this recovery? What do you see right there? Why is that moving? Because I have it on full airflow, and I also have the rear on. And why do I have the air blowing while I'm doing the recovery, but the engine is off? Because you want the warm air from the atmosphere to flow through the fins of the evaporator, heating up the evaporator. Because as you're lowering this pressure, if you've seen my other videos where I've shown you the experiments where pressure and temperature have a relationship, when you lower the pressure refrigerant, it gets cold. And at 10 psi, right now I would literally be developing ice at the bottom rows of the evaporator where the liquid refrigerant is, in the front and the rear. And there's also a bit of oil in there, especially since what I expect in this, what I'm going to find. There'll be a lot of oil in the evaporators, and it will literally hold refrigerant in the oil that got below 0 degrees, or below 32, or even 0. Well, if you're Celsius, it'll definitely be 0. If you're Fahrenheit, 32. Just like CO2, when you carbonize water and soda pop, the gas of CO2 stays below, inside the liquid water, dissolved in there. Even though you release the bottle top and you release that pressure on the top in the gaseous area, and you got the 0 pressure, but there's still a lot of refrigerant. CO2 is a refrigerant, it's a gas, and it's dissolved inside the water. So when you put the top back on, it slowly starts coming back up, and it repressurizes your soda pop. Refrigerant does the same thing, and the colder it is, the longer it'll stay in there and won't want to come out. And this is why when you're performing a recovery, you have your blowers on, running warm air across your evaporator, so you can aid and speed up your recovery. And I could open up the high side now because there's no liquid in there because the pressure's so low. We're at 520 grams, 530 grams. There's this is close to what it should be, I think. 700 to 750 grams right there. That's it.